In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create and manage Wix product categories. To begin, go to your Wix dashboard. This is the main control area for your website, where you can manage store settings, products, and other important parts of your site. Once you are inside the dashboard, look for the Store Products section, and then open Categories. This is where you can organize your products into groups, which makes your store easier to browse and helps customers find what they need more quickly. When you are on the Categories page, click New Category. This will open the setup area for a new category. Here, enter the category name. Choose a name that is clear and easy to understand, since this is what shoppers will see when browsing your store. A simple and descriptive category name usually works best. You can also upload an image if you want to. This part is optional, but it can help make your store look more polished and visually organized. If you decide to use an image, try to choose one that matches the type of products in that category so everything feels consistent and professional. Next, click Add Products. Wix will show you the products available in your store, and from there you can select the items you want to include in this category. Take a moment to make sure you are choosing the correct products, since good category organization can improve the shopping experience and make your store easier to manage later. After you have selected the products, click Save. Your new category will then be created and added to your store. At this point, customers will be able to browse that category based on how your store is set up on the front end of your website. If you ever need to make changes, go back to the Categories page, select the category you want to update, and then make your adjustments. You can edit details like the category name, image, or product selection. If a category is no longer needed, this is also where you can delete it. Keeping your categories updated is a good habit, especially as your product catalog changes over time. That covers everything you need to know.